David Keter mar UDA emobedo jaloch e yiero madundo e kach ng'od bura ma Emurua Dikirr. Keter noyudo ombulu 18,266 ma owuok e kuonde luto ombulu duto 94 kendo yombo Vincent Kibet Rotich ma Democracy for Citizens Party DCP manoyudo ombulu 10,760 kod jachung' mamoko. Yiero no nyobagi mar manyo jaod bura manyien kaluwore gi tho mar manen jaod bura Joanna Ng'eno maende notho e masira mar ndek kalapapla e dwe mar 2 higani.
Kipsang Ketel of UDA garnered 18,266 votes. I want to declare Mheshimiwa David Kipsang Ketel as the winner for this by-election.
It's been a very long journey. I started contesting way back in 2013. I think this was my fourth time contesting, and I'm really thank God for giving me this chance today to lead the people of Emurua Dikirr. Now that I've been elected as a member of parliament, I will do anything possible to bring these people together, and also the people of Narok County. Wakili Koech, Wakili Rotich, and Desmas for putting up a very strong competitive exercise. We really competed with them very strongly, and I also want to wish them well as they do other things, because politics is not the end of everything.